Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into how to take a conversation off Snooze on the X app, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. If you've ever snoozed a chat and later realized you missed an important message or alert, this quick guide will get your conversations back on track in just a few simple steps. First things first, open the X app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account before you start. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the left side of your screen. There, you'll find the main navigation menu that includes your Home, Explore, Notifications, and Messages icons. Click on Messages. This will take you to your inbox, where you can see all the conversations you've had on X. Here's where the magic happens. Now, find the chat you previously snoozed. You'll notice that snoozed chats stay in your Messages list, but you won't receive notifications for them until you turn snooze off. Hover your cursor over the chat you want to re-enable. You'll see 3 vertical dots appear toward the right-hand side of that chat line. Click those 3 dots. A small context menu will appear with a few different options related to managing your conversation. From those options, select Take Conversation Off Snooze. Once you click it, your chat will immediately return to normal, and you'll start receiving notifications for new messages again. That's it. You've successfully taken a conversation off Snooze on the X app. It's a fast and easy process that keeps you in control of your notifications without missing the chats that matter most. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. It helps others find the video, and it keeps you updated with the latest tips for navigating updates like this one. Thanks for watching.